Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're talking about a must-have for all Toyota Corolla owners out there, the genuine Toyota Radiator Grille front panel emblem. If you own a 2008-2010 Corolla, this is a no-brainer upgrade for your car. This emblem is a direct OEM replacement, meaning it's designed to fit your Corolla perfectly without any modifications. It's manufactured with high-quality materials and to the exact specifications of your Toyota, so you can trust that it will last for years to come. The best part? It's a genuine Toyota part, so you know you're getting the real deal. No more worrying about cheap knockoffs that won't last or fit properly. Installation is a breeze with the self-adhesive backing, so you can have this emblem on your car in no time. Not only does it add a touch of style to your Corolla, but it also shows off your pride in owning a reliable and stylish vehicle. So, if you're ready to upgrade the look of your Corolla and add a touch of authenticity, click the link in the description to get your genuine Toyota Radiator Grille front panel emblem today. Your Corolla deserves the best, and this emblem is the perfect way to show it off. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.